How to build a vise stand out of all the scrap metal I have here in the garage. You got some square stock, 1/2-inch plate, some DOM, and what I'm thinking about doing is welding that DOM to the 1/2-inch square stock, and then putting this this bastard up here, send me over like that, and go on from there. I'm using a bus brake drum as a base for the vise stand. Should hold the counterweight pretty good. Stick around and I'll show you the progress and how it turns out. Reason I'm building this vise stand is so I could start finishing up some gussets on the 4-link on the LJ. So got to make tools to get the project done. So I'll show you how I'll do this. Okay, so far I've cut the plate to the length of the drum. Let's see here. Perfect. So I'll clean the drum, tack it in place. I think I might just burn it in. And then we'll go from there. I'll be using the Migmax, Vulcan Migmax. I'm running 7525 030 wire. So we should be burning pretty good in there. And I'll show you how it looks. Tack her into place first, and we'll get her out. Alright guys, there's the base. It's completed. Look at those welds on the Vulcan. The Vulcan stacking dimes, dude. Not too bad, but goes to show that it burns pretty well. So now that we got the base down and our center post in the middle, we're gonna go ahead and continue the project. Yeah, like I said, I really like this welder. Cost me $600, around $675, but you can't beat the price for the quality. Yeah, it's China made, and yeah, the duty cycle isn't as long as you want, but she still gets the job done, dude. So stay tuned. Okay guys, here's the finishing product. I decided to weld the vise directly to the square stock. Looks pretty sturdy. I'm gonna set it up so you guys can check it out. Still kind of hot. There it is. Pretty sturdy. Ain't going nowhere. Right? So yeah, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Until next time.